Located in Meru Province, Turkmenistan, Foushing gas field is the second largest gas field in the world. It's an important base for Turkmenistan's natural gas exports, as well as an important gas source for China-Turkmenistan natural gas cooperation. Gas-rich Turkmenistan is one of the biggest suppliers of natural gas to China and a key country of the China-Central Asia Gas Pipeline Project. China National Petroleum Corporation, the country's largest oil and gas producer and supplier, is currently the sole foreign drilling contractor of the Foushing gas field.
我去的时候呢，主要目的还是就是说把中国的特色钻井业技术，要带过去，特别从使用效果看还是比较理想，为我们后续的钻井，包括土库曼当地的钻井，也提供了很好的经验。